Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Toyota Camry maintenance light. Start by turning your Camry's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Look at your dashboard display and confirm that the odometer is showing the total mileage, not a trip A or trip B reading. If it's on a trip meter, press the trip reset button until the total mileage is displayed. Once confirmed, turn the ignition completely off. This initial setup is crucial for a successful reset. Now, with the ignition off, press and hold the trip reset button. While keeping it pressed, turn the ignition back to the on position. Remember, do not start the engine. You'll need to continue holding that button for approximately 10 seconds. This action initiates the maintenance light reset sequence, so be patient and keep a firm grip on the button. As you hold the trip reset button, you should observe the maintenance light on your dashboard flashing for a few moments. This flashing is a visual cue that the system is actively resetting. After a short period, the light will turn off completely. This signifies that the maintenance reminder has been successfully reset. Once the light is off, you can release the trip reset button. To ensure the reset was permanent, turn your Camry's ignition completely off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back to the on position or even start the engine. The maintenance light should now remain off. If, for any reason, the light reappears, simply repeat the entire process from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a second attempt to get it just right.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.